Okay, it's Monday, September 20th, about 6 p.m. Finally getting around to doing this. '03 Jetta wagon. Cranks but doesn't start. I should have pulled this off before. Do this with one hand. So I believe it was this one. It was for the fuel pump relay. I don't see any fuses blown out. These look fine to me. No expert, but I have this '03 1.8 turbo GTI, and then I have my other GTI over there. This one's a parts car. And as you can see with the door open, lights on, dome lights on. Where's the test light? I have the access cover for the fuel pump off. I don't hear it prime when I open the door. So what I did so far was I pulled this is the original fuel pump relay out of the wagon, and then I grabbed the one out of the parts GTI because that one was running with no issues before. It's been parked for a few months. I'm going to be pulling the trans out of that one, but regardless, this is the fuel pump relay from the parts GTI. So I don't get anything. I get power on some fuses, not all of them. Some of them have that one's got power, that one's got power, that one's got power, that one. So I know it's this one, fuse number 28, all the way over and 3 up. That's for the fuel pump. I don't get power on that. With the key in and turn to accessory. I still get no hum from the fuel pump, but the check engine light does come on. And with that switched, now I'm getting power on all of these. Well, not all of them, but so I'm pretty sure that means that the fuel pump relay is fine, but I still get nothing on fuse 28. But almost every other one now has power, except that one, this one. So the 2 10s in the middle. I don't have power to. And then what will happen is, you know what? I'll be a complete bonehead. Just checking the oil before. Oil level's fine. Everything else was hooked up. All I get was hooked up right. That's good. Fires up, dies right out. That's best case. Before it was just cranking indefinitely. So thinking it's just not getting power for whatever reason. I'm not sure why, so I hope this is helpful for diagnostic purposes. We'll see.